Hey guys, I'm Jordan, Inverter Service Center. Today we're going to go over this Prevost motorhome we did an upgrade on. Pulled out 2 of the Freedom SW4024s and put in 2 Victron Quattros. So if you're ready, let's take a look. All right, so this one had the same setup that a lot of the Prevosts do of that era. They had the twin SW4024s in there. It's something that's real common that a lot of you people call in here and asking about replacements or repairing. We still do some repairs for those, but unfortunately, not a lot of parts available for them still. So a lot of times we're forced, like on this one, to do a complete upgrade on that.
I think it comes down to they never intended to take these things out because they put nuts onto the bottom of it that were big enough to the point where they were making contact with the side. So we couldn't use this because it needs some clearance around the edge to get to it. So we finally got those out, and now we're trying to get the inverter out, but the screws from the top of the inverter are hitting the bottom inverter and not allowing it to come out. The way that this was installed is the first inverter that went in was this one, and then when they put this inverter in, they put the feet of this of the second inverter underneath the case screws of the first inverter. So we can't get the second one out because the case screws for the first inverter is holding it into place, and we can't get the first inverter out because the second one is on top of the feet for the first inverter.
Pulled out the 2 SWs out. We ended up putting 2 Victron Quattro 5000s back in its place. Upgraded the control panels inside to the Victron Touch 70s in there. And then while it was here, we also put a new set of house batteries in there. So got everything freshened up, ready to go for the next trip. All right, so like I say, a lot of you guys calling in here asking about what you can do with these old SWs, what you can swap out to. So if you need some help doing that, want to get the parts from us to do it, need some help, just somebody to do it for you, just give us a call at 800-621-1271.